In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change channels on YouTube TV so you can effortlessly switch between your favorite shows, sports, or news programs without missing a beat. Let's get started. Whether you're using the app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, YouTube TV makes it easy to navigate and switch channels. The fastest way to change channels is by using the Live tab. From the home screen of the YouTube TV app or website, click on the Live tab to see a list of all available channels. Scroll through the lineup or use the search bar to find the specific channel you want. Clicking on a channel will immediately start playing its live stream. If you frequently watch certain channels, consider adding them to your favorites. While viewing a channel, look for the star icon or Add to Favorites option. Once added, these channels will appear at the top of your Live tab under a Favorites section, allowing you to access them with just one click. For even faster navigation, use the Channel Guide. On most devices, press the Guide button or equivalent on your remote or keyboard to bring up an AZ list of all available channels. Use the arrow keys or swipe to browse, then select the channel you want to watch. Some devices also allow you to use voice commands. Simply say something like, "Watch ESPN" to jump directly to that channel. If you're switching between multiple channels often, take advantage of the Recent section in the Live tab. This shows the last few channels you've watched, making it easy to toggle back and forth. Finally, if you're using a mobile device or computer, you can control your TV playback remotely through the YouTube TV app or website. Just ensure both devices are signed into the same account and connected to the same network. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope changing channels on YouTube TV is now quicker and easier for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.